Hi, I'm doing a review of the D94S. This gun is obviously an M4. I don't like it as much, but I'm going to do a review on it. So, let's see. The gun itself isn't very heavy. It's plastic. Please note, the tip broke off. It actually comes with an orange tip. The paint job, the camo paint job, I did myself. So, it comes just in black. So, let's start with the back. It has an extendable stock. It is also removable. I never remove it, but, you know. It's plastic, not very sturdy. But, this entire gun's plastic. The insides are plastic, so I wouldn't recommend it. But, sights, plastic also, not very dependable. It has safe, semi, and auto. Semi is the most accurate. The mag, which it does come with, is windable, which is nice, but it only holds 150 rounds, so it's not all that great, but it does have feeding problems with the gun. It only feeds about 75%, which is still a large amount, but not enough, I think. This package does come with an enjamming rod, plastic, not very good. A sling, just a plain black sling, not very good either, just, you know. And its battery, obviously. The battery is 4.8 volt, not very good. It fits in the foregrip of the gun. You just plug it in, like so, and then just place inside the gun. You kind of have to hold it in there as you're... Okay. There's not much to say about it, other than it's not very good. Mag catch, not very good. Plastic. This gun, I would not recommend. Even the sling holders are plastic here. The sights are movable, but still not very dependable. The switches here don't work, they're just stuck there, they don't really do anything. To activate the gun, you have to hold this safety down, if you can see it, and then press the trigger, which I don't like very much. And I just wouldn't recommend this gun, unless you just wanted to have an airsoft gun to mess around with and just do whatever. It'd be okay. But like I said, I still need to put orange tape or something around the end. But there's my review.